Namaskar, good evening. Today, Apollo Pipes Limited has declared its results. Very good. Apollo Pipes is one among the top 10 leading pipe manufacturers in India, headquarters in Delhi. The company enjoys strong brand equity in the domestic markets. Not much of exports. More than 3 decades experience in the Indian pipe market. It has a strong reputation for high quality products. The company operates large manufacturing facilities at Dadri and Secunderabad in UP, Ahmedabad in Gujarat, Tumkur in Karnataka. Total capacity presently is 1 lakh MTPA, likely to go up to 1,25,000 MTPA soon. The multiple and efficient product profile includes over 1,000 product categories: CVPC, PVC, CPVC, UPVC, HDPE pipes, water storage tanks, PVC taps, fittings and solvents of very high quality. So, a lot of industrial applications are there: agriculture, water management, construction, infrastructure and telecom ducting. Wide distribution work spread over across 600 plus channel partners. Mr. Samir Gupta is the managing director. Now let us take a look at the highlights of Q3 FY21 performance versus Q3 FY20. Sales volume is higher by 7% year on year to 11,445 tons from 10,712 tons. 7% sales volume has increased year on year. Revenue higher by 28% to 128.1 crores compared with 1,000 crores last year, same quarter. EBITDA higher by 139% to 25.5 crores compared to 10.7 crores. EBITDA margin is at 20%. Net profit after tax is up by 145%. Generally, I select when the net profit is higher by 100%. Many of the companies, small companies, I select like that only. Here, Apollo Pipes has scored net profit after tax by 145% to 16.3 crores versus 6.7 crores last year. So, net sales are 128 crores, higher by 28% year on year and 3.86% quarter on quarter. Raw materials 87.78 crores. That is also higher by 13.43% year on year and 18.49% quarter on quarter. Total expenditure is 107.63 crores, higher by 13.99% year on year and lesser by 4.37. No, total expenditure is higher by 13.99% year on year and lesser by 4.37% quarter on quarter. Previous quarter was 112.55, now 107.63. So, if you see, net sales are higher by 28%, expenditure is higher by 13.99%. So, sales volume is higher more. Therefore, profit after tax has increased. Net profit is 16.33 crores, previous quarter 9.5 crores and year ago quarter 6.67 crores. Therefore, year on year increase is 144.83% and quarter on quarter increase also is very good at 71.89%, which means profit margins have improved a lot. Basic EPS is likewise now 12.46, previous quarter 7.25 and year ago quarter 5.08. Here also year on year growth is 145% and quarter on quarter growth is 72%. The face value is 10 rupees, market value is 736. Taking this market value and the latest basic EPS of 12.46, price earning works out to 14.7. So not low, not high. If the winning streak continues like this in performance, the price appreciation could be there. 52-week high was 769.9. Current is 736, very close to it. 52-week low was 282, very low. Whoever entered at 282 during this 1 year, they would have had a multi-bagger more than 300%. Now that is in April somewhere around that, because of the pandemic it would have gone down like that. Volumes are 60,593, reasonably good. Now if you look at the 9 months performance, sales volume is lower by 2%. Revenue is higher by 10%. EBITDA is higher by 32%. Net profit of tax is higher by 25%. 9 months. Now, Samir Gupta, Managing Director, says we have had a very encouraging quarter. Robust uptick in consumption in the domestic markets. Sales volume higher by 7%. Healthy contribution from all various PVC, HDPE pipes and value-added product segment. Cost optimization measures were there, so we have seen costs were slightly lower. So cost optimization, improved contribution from high margin fittings, all this contributed to gross profit margin and net profit margin higher. Operational standpoint, existing manufacturing facilities Dadra, Ahmedabad and Tumkur are operating at good utilization levels, and it may improve further. And they are going to operationalize a greenfield facility at Raipur well in advance. Likely to commission by March 2021, that is by this year end. So afterwards, that Raipur facility also will contribute to the sales volumes and profits. So there is a brownfield expansion at existing locations like Dadri, Ahmedabad and Tumkur. Now they have introduced the latest range of water storage tanks. They are seeing strong acceptance in the domestic market. So now they are doubling the capacity at Secunderabad in Dadri and also commissioned one unit in Tumkur. So planned capacity additions are there that will contribute to more sales and more profits looking forward. So pro-growth measures are being taken by the government also, especially in rural infrastructure, agriculture space, etc. That will lead to better demand and consumption for their products. So macro situation is good, micro situation also is good. So after March 2021, the capacity will go up further. So greenfield expansion at Raipur and brownfield expansion at all other places. And capacity upgradation is likely to take, they are expecting 125,000 MTPA soon. That is, by March 2021, this 1 lakh will be exceeded anyway. Soon it will reach 1,25,000 also. So 1 lakh as on date. 4 manufacturing plants, 600 plus channel plants, 500 plus SKUs, 5-year sales volume CAGR 14%, reasonably healthy. 5-year revenue CAGR 19%, reasonably healtty. 5-year net profit CAGR 29%. This is to be noted. If it goes on like this, this is a steady compounder. Good. ROCE in the 9 months was 19%. Profit after tax we have seen 145% increase, sales volume 5% increase, etc. So a lot of things are going on at Apollo Pipes. Sales will increase, profits will increase, everything will increase. Brownfield expansions are there. Greenfield expansion also is there, catering to the Eastern India. At present it is more in North India only. It has got a lot of scope to develop in East India, etc. I don't know when it will come to South India. Tumkur, they have got a plant. So, so South India also will contribute. Karnataka. will contribute a lot. So let us see. Apollo Pipes is an attractive company. Diversified portfolio is there. At present, 1,500 plus products are there. They want to increase it to 2,500 plus products. They have launched something called Super Lock System Pipes in the country. First company to launch it. Now they have launched plastic faucets, taps and showers also. So capacity expansion will take them to 1,25,000. So Apollo brand is quite famous in pipes. So let us expect future outlook also. They are very strong. The management has got a very strong future outlook. North and Western India are already present, and now they want to go to Eastern India, etc. So Apollo Pipes has performed very well in Q3. They are promising that the future also will be good. Brownfield expansions, greenfield expansions, both are there. So consider it. I have given you the full details. But this depends upon agriculture. The only point is that this depends upon agriculture and some other things also. Telecom, ducting is, I think, nowadays very low only. Other industrial applications are there, infrastructure is there, agriculture is there. So if agriculture progresses and infrastructure progresses, Apollo Pipes will have a wonderful time. Thank you for listening. I'll be back with you with another very good result.